Hi guys, today I'm going to share a simple strategy on how to make $3,500 from $10 on binary options trading. But first, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss working trading strategies. Also, visit my Telegram channel where I provide free trading signals and personally answer questions to help you earn. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show you and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operation. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and do. Click like and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. It is based on the use of two key indicators, the ASM oscillator and the RSI. With their help, I determine whether to open a deal or not. When moving averages intersect from bottom to top, this means a possible upward movement of the chart, and vice versa. The second indicator helps to determine the general direction of movement of the chart on a large scale. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I include only two indicators, the ASM oscillator and the RSI. I leave the settings for the two indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is 1 minute, and you can start. I start with the amount of $10. It is from this amount that we will go out at $3,500. We open dollar and yen OTC and open our first deal for an increase in the amount of $10. Here is the intersection of our bottom-up moving average and a chart with an active upward movement. We are watching how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right moment for the second one. Do you want to earn like professionals? We provide detailed signals for successful trading every day. Join our team of traders through the link in the description and increase your earnings. We put the amount of $18 on the second deal because the yield in each transaction will be about 93%. The second deal will be in the same currency pair. We analyze the situation and make a 1-minute reduction deal. There is a downward moving movement and the intersection of the sliding ones. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we see, our strategy works if we find good entry points. Our second deal ends in a plus. Our balance is already $35. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $35. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a short trade for 1 minute. The main thing is not to observe the green impulse, but it does not matter since the transaction time is 1 minute and it will still be corrected. Here again we see the intersection of the sliding ones, which gives us a signal to go down. We see a downward movement. So we came out with no result. Let's try again. Give us a rise since the movement has gone up. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $67. We are not far from our goal of $3,500. The main thing is to repeat my strategy and analyze your trades. Now we are changing our currency pair to the index Asia Composite. We increase our transaction amount by $67 and look for the next suitable situation. So we found the situation we needed, open our downgrade deal for 1 minute and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph and a chart that shows a steady decline. The deal was completed, another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank and the balance was replenished at the amount of $130. This time we are opening a 1 minute rise deal. Here again we see the intersection of the moving averages, which gives us a signal to increase. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $251. We are not far from our goal of $3,500. The main thing is to repeat my strategy and analyze your trades. We are increasing our transaction amount by $251. So we found the situation we needed. Open our downgrade deal for 1 minute and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph and a chart that shows a steady decline. The deal was completed, another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank, and the balance is $484. We raise our deal amount by $484. We open our deal for an increase of 1 minute and wait. Everything is simple here. We see an upward moving movement and we will rise in the diagram. The deal was completed, another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank, and the balance was replenished in the amount of $935. This time we are opening a 1 minute short trade. Here again we see the intersection of the moving averages, which gives us a signal to go down. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $1,805. We are increasing our transaction amount by $1,805. So we found the situation we needed and we opened our deal for 1 minute rise. In this case, the movement of the chart in the indicator shows a rise and the moving ones intersect from bottom to top. The deal was completed, another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank, and the balance was replenished in the amount of $3,449. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $3,500 from just $10. All our deals were confidently and successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. Good luck and good profits to all! Join my Telegram channel, subscribe to it. If you like this video, put likes and write comments. See you in my next videos. Bye bye!